To create a purchase order in Xero so you can keep track of what you've ordered but not yet been billed for, click Purchases, then Purchase Orders. This is your purchase orders screen. Here you'll see any orders that you've created, along with their status, the delivery dates, and whether you've sent them to the supplier. Since this list is empty, create a new one by clicking New Purchase Order in the top right. Start by choosing your supplier in the contact field. Then check the date and delivery date so that they match when you are placing the order and when you expect a delivery. Xero creates an order number automatically, but you can change the order number or add a reference to it if you want. Next, add the items you are ordering in the lines down below. I'll add test item 3 again, and you can edit the description, the quantity, the unit price, discount percentage, and you can change the account. Make sure that the tax field looks okay, remove any extra rows, and at the bottom, you can add a delivery address and instructions for your supplier. If you click this dropdown, you can add a new address, or a one-off address, or search from contacts. If you add one, it will look like this to enable the field. Once you're happy with the details, scroll down, and you can save it as a draft here on the left, or you can click Approve to confirm the purchase order and get it ready to send to your supplier. Once your purchase order is approved, you'll see it listed here with the options to send, print, or mark it as billed. When you have your delivery, or you have your bill from your supplier, you can record that in Xero by clicking Mark as Billed. Check Copy Purchase Order to a draft bill, and this creates a draft bill using the same details from the purchase order, which keeps everything consistent and saves you time. Then click OK. Once the draft bill opens, all you need to do is review the details and make sure everything matches what you actually received from your supplier, and you'll need to add a due date. In Xero, this bill is still just a draft, which means it isn't counted as something that you owe yet. To record it as an official bill and move it into your awaiting payment list, click Approve. Approving the bill tells Xero that this is the correct bill and I now owe this amount. You're not paying it, you're simply confirming that the expense is real so that it shows up in your accounting. After approving it, the bill will appear under Awaiting Payment. You can see that alongside your other bill if you click Bills to Pay up here.